It's here, the long-awaited redesign of the 2025 Toyota 4Runner. Hi, I'm Maggie Clark, Motor City Maggie, and I'm at the Los Angeles Auto Show with the brand new redesigned 2025 Toyota 4Runner TRD Sport Premium. Now there are 9 trim levels of the new 4Runner. So this is going to be a less expensive 4Runner than the TRD Pro, which I already showed you in another video, and it's going to be a gas model, whereas the TRD Pro model is a hybrid. So if you are looking for a less expensive TRD 4Runner that is a gas model, this one might be the one for you. Let's check it out after you hit that like button and subscribe. So as I mentioned, there are 9 trim levels, and those include the SR5, that's the base model, TRD Sport, and then the TRD Sport Premium, which is this one here, really nicely equipped. Then you've got the TRD Off-Road, TRD Off-Road Premium. Next up is the Limited, Platinum, TRD Pro, and Trail Hunter. So lots of options, lots of choices, and you'll have both 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive, and you have the 2 different powertrains, the iForce engine or the iForce Max hybrid. So powering the new 4Runner is an iForce engine. That is going to be your first out of the 2 powertrain options. The first is a 2.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that's going to give you 278 horsepower, 317 pound-feet of torque with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's also going to allow you to tow 6,000 pounds. The vehicle comes out in early 2025. However, if you are looking for the iForce Max powertrain, which is the hybrid, that's only going to be available on the higher trim levels, and that model won't come out until later in 2025. Let's check out the exterior of the TRD Sport. We've got our very cool hood scoop, but it is not functional, keep that in mind, but I do really like the shape of this hood. Below there, we have the big Toyota front badge. On the TRD Pro, it will say Toyota in the heritage front grille style, but here we've got the big Toyota badge. Below that, we've got the front-facing camera, we've got some gloss black, and that continues down below, and we've got this overhang to protect the underbody of your vehicle. We also have some fog lamps here. And above that, we have our headlights right here. And check out this Easter egg that I found. If you come in really close, you see a little 4Runner badge. How nice is that? You don't get that on the TRD Pro. Check this out. We also have air vents, so this extra flow right in the fenders. Down below here, we've got our 20-inch wheels. These are, I don't know, not as an expensive looking design that you would see on some of the other trim levels, like on the Limited, the Platinum, the Trail Hunter, but you are getting a less expensive Toyota 4Runner here. So yeah, the wheels still look pretty cool. They do have the TRD badge in the center there. And we've got blind spot monitor indicators. We've got a beautiful pearl white paint. This is so nice. I love it. It's gorgeous. It's glistening in these auto show lights. Here we've got our TRD Sport badge, and we've got our black, piano black, shiny black roof rails. Right below that, we've got that signature wraparound glass, which is really cool, really exciting to see on the new 4Runner. It's such a great design choice. We've got this overhang along the back. We've got our full power sliding rear glass window, which is a favorite feature for a lot of 4Runner owners. So I'm so glad that they decided to keep it for the 2025. You will control that electronically with these buttons here on the side. Now we've got this part here that says Toyota, kind of a little more in a subtle way. And we've got our rear facing camera and our backup camera. And then check this out. This is the new 4Runner font. Look at that. What do you think of that? I really like it. I think it looks really modern. It looks really cool. And yeah, I think it just looks great. We've also got our tow hitch and our spare tire. Let's take a look inside of the TRD Sport Premium. Okay, we're gonna see a lot of similarities with the TRD Pro. We've got TRD in the side of the door there, lots of storage, some cup and bottle holders. We've even got memory seats. We've got the accessory ready, special little hidden cubby for all of your treasures. Here's a look at your seats. We've got a nice soft text seat with some white stitching. And look at this, they are powered. There is no standard running board or rock steps, so just know that you might need to add one because it is high and a little difficult to climb in. There also is no handle for the driver, and the driver has to grab onto the steering wheel or hold onto the door, which can be a little rickety. So I would definitely recommend getting that step. Here is your driver's POV. You've got a nice big steering wheel with a lot of controls on both sides for your advanced driver assistance systems, for your volume and your voice control. To the left of the steering wheel, we do have some buttons, but not as many as on the TRD Pro. We don't have those accessory ready buttons here that we see on the TRD Pro, but we do get the JBL speakers and that extra portable JBL speaker that can sit right there in the front of your vehicle that you can remove and take with you on all your adventures with 6 hours of battery life. We do have a digital rear view mirror, it looks like, a moonroof, and of course everything is digital. We have a 12.3-inch digital multimedia display behind the steering wheel. We have a 14-inch touchscreen display here with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and Wi-Fi and Toyota's multimedia system. We have a TRD start-stop button. It does say engine start-stop. The TRD Pro version does not say that. It's a little cleaner looking. They do take off the knobs here at the auto show, and they did remove that JBL speaker. Just so you know, we have some big HVAC controls, big knobs, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, wireless charging for your cell phone. We've got the TRD shift knob. So you're really getting a lot of TRD features without the price of the TRD Pro on the TRD Sport Premium. We also have 4 low, 4 high, and 2 high. And we have our tow haul mode and drive mode selector. You do not get the crawl control or the multi-terrain select or the downhill assist control. You also do not get a front stabilizer bar disconnect or a locking rear differential with this vehicle, but you do get the panoramic view monitors, which are so helpful, especially when you are parking. Over here, you do get some storage for your passenger. You've got your glove box here, and your passenger will get a bit of a grab bar handle, kind of a mini one, there on the door frame. We also have 2 cup holders here and a armrest. And inside we've got a little bit of storage space, but not a whole lot. I do like this black gloss trim on the door handle, and it has the smart key system, so you can just keep the key in your pocket or purse and the door will open and lock for you because it knows that you're the owner. We're in the second row of the Toyota 4Runner, and with the seats, you can either recline them or you can tumble them forward so you can access your cargo area, or you can fold them flat. If you lay them down flat, like so, you're going to have a huge drop off between the second row and the cargo capacity. It's half of my arm. So this whole cargo area is set up for an optional third row. So you do have tie downs, speakers, cup holders, storage areas for the optional third row, optional 2 seats that you can get in some of the trim levels. Now, if you wanted to put a mattress back here, if you wanted to sleep back here, it would not be a good idea to try and do that with the seats folded flat like so. You would have to tumble them forward all the way. And this is what it looks like when you have tumbled the seat forward. You do have a flat floor when you tumble the seat forward. So we've got 2 USB-C ports. We've got a 120 volt plug back there. We've got 2 seat back pockets. We've got some nice seats, and this is the view of the front of the vehicle from the second row. Well, what did you think of the all-new redesigned 2025 Toyota 4Runner TRD Sport Premium? Let me know in the comments. I want to hear from you. Now, if you'd like to take a look at the top-of-the-line 2025 Toyota 4Runner, make sure you check out my full comprehensive video on the 2025 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro that I will link here. Thanks so much for watching Motor City Maggie. Make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe because you don't want to miss any of my automotive content, right? All right, until next time, motor on. Bye.